Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome and Windows. Before that, remember if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified of whenever I publish a new video. Okay guys, enough intro. Let's do it together. First, see in Chrome browser. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. Step 2. Type CHROME://flags. Search dark mode, then you can view Force dark mode for all contents and web platform controls dark mode. Step 3. You will need to enable both to get a satisfactory dark browser. Then click Relaunch. You'll get a dark browsing experience with a light browser UI. Other options for using a dark mode. Chrome themes and extensions are designed to import third-party functionality into Chrome. Dark themes have been available for a long time, but they typically affect only Chrome's UI. The browser will look dark but all the websites you visit will still be light. Now see in Windows 10 OS. Step 1. Go to Settings using Windows key +I. Step 2. Select Personalization. Step 3. Choose Colors. Finally, under App Mode, choose Dark. Additional information. What are the pros and cons of dark mode? Pros. It saves energy, mainly if the device uses an OLED or AMOLED screen. While the dark text on a white background is the best in terms of readability, dark mode, which has light text on a dark background, is better for reducing eye strain in low light conditions. With the majority of the screen dark, the screen glare is reduced, thereby minimizing flickering and blue light. Cons. Dark themes are not always better for eye strain. In bright light conditions, the text appears washed out, increasing eye fatigue. Long pieces of content or text are more challenging to read in dark mode. If you have any ideas to share with me, then please comment on it. When you leave, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.